everyone, welcome back to Zithulele Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the seed from the 13th to the 17th of February 2023 on Monday. Nomusa is crushed to discover that Zithulele is not as excited about the baby, but instead deems it more of a responsibility. Nerupa, on the other hand, is not so chuffed about the victory and questions the length the Maharaj had to go through to obtain this win on Tuesday. Phakade is shocked to learn from Zagiti that she voted Zithulele and Nkululeko out of the company. Nerupa chides Shreya for gloating about their win and hold that they are now complicit in whatever Maharaj did for them to rescue the bag. Zithulele's portrait is returned to Nkuleko's apartment on Wednesday. Zithulele started his new job but is miserable about the way his life is going. In a bidding war, Mazulu wins and Nkululeko sign over his shares. Meanwhile, Sibongile rubs Zithulele the wrong way when she does a photo shoot without talking to him about it on Thursday. Maharaj and Shreya are not happy to find out that Nkululeko sold his shares to Mazulu, but Mazulu is thrilled about it. Zithulele mourn his defeat. Zithulele struggled to share himself between Nokzola and Sibongile on Friday. Nokzola suggests a DNA test from a shocked Zithulele. Nomusa breaks the news that she is leaving the commune. Maharaj hears that Nerupa has banned him from the house and is reading. Only gets a surprise visit from a family member. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.